Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about topic Scrum Master. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management and Scrum and Agile and you want to learn about it. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, a Scrum Master is one of the primary role in the Scrum framework. Now, what is a Scrum framework? A Scrum framework is basically a framework which we used for software development, managing a software development project. This framework is based on Agile methodology. Agile means that it is an iterative and incremental approach in which we divide the project into multiple chunks, and with each chunk we will delivering the work and project to the customer. This approach, Scrum framework, is very popular nowadays, and Scrum is basically a new approach as compared to waterfall approach. And in this approach, we are getting the feedback from customer at a very early stage so that we can incorporate it, and there are no surprises at the end of the project. So, a Scrum Master is basically a role which plays a crucial part in facilitating the Scrum process and ensuring that the team adheres to its principles and practices. So first is the Scrum Master is the facilitator of the Scrum process. Scrum Master is basically responsible for ensuring that the Scrum framework is understood, adopted and practiced by the team. Scrum Master, you can think of this person as a facilitator who is facilitating the team. They facilitate Scrum events including sprint planning, daily Scrum, sprint review and sprint retrospective. So he is a person who always facilitates the team, helps the team if there is any issues, problems are there. So he will always facilitate it. Okay. Then servant leadership. Scrum Master role is a servant leader. Servant leader means that he is a leader who helps the team to achieve their goals, their objective. If there are any impediments, issues, obstacle, so enabling the team to deliver high quality products. So for example, let's suppose a team needs any particular data for a project, so he helps to arrange it. For example, there is any problem in a understanding of the work, so he helps to understand them. So he is basically a leader who is a servant leadership basically. Then coaching and mentoring means a Scrum Master coaches the team members, product owner and the organization on Scrum practices and values. They help the team improve continuously by providing guidance on Agile principles and best practices. Friend, in a project, Scrum Master is a person who has great and complete knowledge about the Agile principles. Okay, so he always helps the team, and team always look towards him if they need any guidance about Agile principles or Scrum framework. For example, let me give you an example like how much time we should give for a sprint planning meeting. So he will guide it that how to conduct a sprint planning meeting, how much time we should give for daily Scrum meeting. So he will guide it. So he is basically a guide person, a coaching person as well. Then removing impediments means, friends, if there are any issues, obstacle, bottlenecks in the team's progress, so he will always uh, first person who will remove those problems. This involves collaborating with various stakeholders to resolve issues and create a conducive environment for the team's success as well. He is a great person. For example, there are any issues with any stakeholder, if there are any problems in a project which teams is focusing, which teams are trying to come out, so he will always a person who will always remove the issues and problems and bottlenecks. Protecting the team, a Scrum Master is also a shield for a team. He basically protect the team from any external interruptions, distractions, so that the team should focus on the delivery of the sprint. They also ensure that the team follows agreed upon processes and practices to maintain a healthy working environment. Okay, like the team should focus on the work, should focus on the sprint goal, and they should not worry about the external things, external issues, problems, issues. So all those things are basically managed by the Scrum Master. Facilitating communication means that the Scrum Master facilitate the communication with the team, within the team, and with external stakeholders as well. They ensure that information flows transparently, that everyone knows what is the status of the project, what is the progress, and what are the challenges and issues are there. So the communication is also a responsibility, a main role of a Scrum Master, and a Scrum Master should transparently communicate the things accordingly as well. Then continuous improvement. Scrum Master fosters a culture of continuous improvement within the team. They always try to improve the things. For example, during the sprint retrospective session, which is a session in which we try to find out the things which needs to be improved, the things which should not be continued. Okay, the positive things are discussed, the negative things are discussed. Positive things should be continued, and the negative things should not be continued. So during this session, we try to find out the areas for improvement, encourage the team to adopt and evolve, and try to find out the things which could be improved. Conflict resolution. Friend, we know that whenever we are working in a project, always there are issues, problems are there, conflicts arise, and conflicts means that the difference of opinion between team members. These team members could be within the team and outside the team members as well. So they always Scrum Master always promote a positive and constructive team environment where members feel comfortable expressing their opinions and concerns. If there are any, if there is any conflict resolution, conflicts are arise between the team members, so he will always try to find a win-win solution so that everyone feels comfortable, everyone feels that his opinion is valuable, and the conflict should be resolved smoothly as well. Monitoring and metrics means the Scrum Master use different monitoring and metrics used to track the team's progress and identify areas that need attention, for example burn down chart, etc. They focus on using these metrics for improvement rather than for individual performance evaluation. So mainly the main purpose of that, the things should be improved and things should be delivered on time. If there are any issues and bottlenecks, it should be removed on timely basis. Advocating agile principles means a Scrum Master is a person who always advocate the agile principles. They work with management to create an agile mindset and culture within the organization that supports the Scrum framework. So, Scrum Master is a critical role in ensuring the success of Scrum projects by fostering a collaborative and agile environment, removing impediments, and facilitating continuous improvement within the team and the organization. So friend, thank you. Thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching.